Hello, today's topic is about the platina, the homeopathic medicine, which is mostly suitable for the ladies. So, we'll start with the platina. It is basically a noble metal. Its atomic number is 78. So, what are noble metals? Noble metals are those metals which are resistant to corrosion or oxidation when they come in contact with the moisture or air. There are also other noble metal including platina. They are rhodium, silver, osmium, iridium, gold, palladium, etc. These are the metals which are not easily attacked by the acid. So it was about chemistry part of it. So we will go ahead with the homeopathic point of view. So how is platina lady? It is seen that some people are born great and some achieve greatness, but some presume greatness, and the platinum constitution belongs to this last mentioned category. That is, they presume greatness, that is, superiority complex. You might think that platinum is a noble metal, but there is nothing noble found in the proving to suggest that it is potential use for the noble people or that is suitable for the person who take up responsibility and authority as an innate trait, because platinum is a unfeeling, ungrateful, hard-hearted and mean-minded fellow who make a show off of authority without taking responsibility for this action. Platina ladies love beautiful things and make beautiful things, but they also dress stylish. Can be charming. They have perseverance and tenacity to finish project. They are almost always loquacious once they feel comfortable, and this is which is known as OCD or obsessive compulsive disorder. This type of tendency runs deeply in the platina constitution due to their personality of worry. They worry a lot. They are susceptible to chronic insomnia. They are kind of hysterical women, such as have undergone fright, prolonged excitement, or from a disappointment, shock, or prolonged hemorrhage, etc. She might be arrogant, haughty. The striking characteristic of this drug is pride and overestimate of oneself. Also, the patient has a problem that the mental symptoms alternate with the physical symptoms. That means that mental symptoms, when are in bad condition, the physical well-being is in good, hysterical kind of, and vice versa. They are the sensitive to external stimuli. It can be anything, light, odor, etc. She is very irritable and may have impulse to hurt people to whom she had been affectionate with, and this state alternate with joy and then with sadness. When she is depressed, she wonder why these things are happening to me or her. It means underlying meaning of this is that she is very better person than her surrounding peoples, and therefore she doesn't deserve the way she feels. Many things and people in her environment irritate her, and she feel bounded. She wish that those should not be there, and if someone has put them in her life without her approval, means without her permission, people are there, those who irritate her, she feel like that. And it's no wonder that she's behaving arrogantly, haughtily, contemptuously, distended. and is failing into deep depression due to her own cause, her mind, for a long period. Another problem with her is about memory problem. She's very forgetful and often losing her thought. She doesn't remember well-known places, streets, anything. She lose her way. After traveling a lot, when she came home, she feel that everything seems entirely changed. It is characteristic about a platina. Other, you can see that in clinical practice you can prescribe the platina, because platina is very important female remedy, but not everyone every women will need it as a chronic remedy, but often it will be indicated for the treatment of suppressed menses or menorrhagia, metrorrhagia, irritation in the sexual organ, tendency to masturbation, neuralgic like pains. The one thing I would like to tell you that in pain, it is characteristic pain noted in the platina. That is, the pain will start gradually and also decrease gradually, but it will be sharp when it reaches its peak point. Means it starts gradually, then it increase, and in certain point at a peak point, it will be unbearable for the patient. That patient will shriek for help, and then again after that peak point it will start reducing gradually, and then the patient will feel comfortable when it reduce. Other things in other therapeutic point of view, you can also see in constipation, depression. One can think of the platina. After all, it is a homeopathic, so symptom similarity is important in it. Thank you. Hello. Today's topic is about the platina, the homeopathic medicine, which is mostly suitable for the ladies. So, we'll start with the platina. It is basically a noble metal. Its atomic number is 78. So, what are noble metals? Noble metals are those metals which are resistant to corrosion or oxidation when they come in contact with the moisture.